All right, so getting started, we're actually gonna do this bottom first. And what you wanna do is, this seat is the manual seat, and what you're gonna do is pump it up into the up position as high as it'll go, because that'll give us plenty of space to work underneath there, okay? We're gonna flip this backrest forward, and what we're gonna do is actually, this is a back seat bib, okay? And this one on the inside actually unhooks really easy. You just reach underneath and unhook that. And that would give you enough space to just be able to push the material that needs to go through here and enough space to work through with that. Now, just for demonstration purposes, and so you can see this, I've actually unhooked this other side right here. And what I've done is this is actually hooked around a cable underneath here. It goes underneath, and right here, it's hooked right around there. So you'd actually have to release your airbag cable. And instead of doing that, I've just slit the elastic in half right here. And I'm just gonna tie it together again, square knot in a square knot. I don't recommend doing that on yours, because this one right here is just gonna have, if you unhook this one over here, then you'll be able to have like this side open enough to be able to push through your straps and buckles for the seat bottom cover. But just again, for demonstration purposes, I've taken this, I'm going to tie a square knot in it, and then I'll be able to hook this back up underneath like that right there once I've tied this back together. And now we'll be able to, so you can see on the back side right here, as I'm pushing through the straps and buckles, it'll be a little bit easier to show you what's going on underneath here.